Hey y'all, hey, today's video is some cleaning motivation and we are in my living room, and as you can see it is a complete disaster. I'm gonna keep it really honest with you guys. Lucas has just been playing in here with every toy he owns. Well, that's how it feels when I look at it. It's very traumatizing for me, so today I am going to tackle it, and I'm also going to be decorating certain areas. Well, I'm just going to try to make it look real cute and livable. Y'all know how I do if you are not new here. But anyway, let's get into the video.
That's why I wrote you a letter, 'cause you see, I write so much better.
Okay, so first things first, I'm going to just start picking up everything that's on the floor because I mean, you see what I see. You can barely walk without stepping on a toy, and yeah, it's becoming very hazardous. And you know, if you're not new here, my name is Denise. I have two kids. Lucas is 4 and my daughter, she is 7 months. And you know, when I'm walking around and I'm carrying her, it has concerned me that maybe I might fall and bust my butt, or she might get hurt. You know, it's not going to be a good look either way. So today is the day that I am tackling everything that is absolutely wrong with this space. Starting with the
time goes by and yet I wonder, why do we put each other through hell? Why can't we just get over ourselves? I know I should. You cast your spell and now went under. I know the laughter and the pain. Will I ever love again? I don't know if I can take it anymore.
I found these cute little bins from the Dollar Tree, and y'all, they are actually pretty sturdy and they interlock. So I think that when I bought them, I was keeping Lucas in mind because he loves stuff like that, and he just likes to, as you can see in the video, there's toys in almost every last one of them, and that was not my purpose for buying them. I actually was buying them for like storage, for organization purposes for the home, but it turned into his little project of how many can he steal and how many toys can fit inside. But like I said, they were from the Dollar Tree, so if you live near one, you should check it out and see if they have that option as far as storage bins. But anyway, I'm moving the table because I really need to get all of the puzzle pieces off of the floor, and there are probably some in the chair because I'm going to be vacuuming the chair, I'm going to be vacuuming the floor, and yeah, it has to be done. I'm sure when you see what's going on underneath my sofa cushions, you are probably going to be a little bit shocked, but it's probably nothing that you haven't seen if you have children yourself.
Let's go. Are you ready? You've been staring since I came in. I know you wanna get to know me. But honestly, I came with my girls, wanna dance by ourselves. Can't you tell? Baby, I have thick skin. Yeah, I don't let things get to me. But do you want me to spell it out for you right now? I'm not feeling your vibe. Crystal clear that you're head over heels, but don't come any closer, my dear. Cause when I get mad, I cannot control what might happen. You think you can put your hands on my body. I'm no damsel in distress. Come too close, I might just lose it. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom.
It was around this time that Logan woke up from her nap. I was able to get a lot accomplished before she woke up, but I did do a lot of picking up off the floor off camera because it just got to be a whole lot for me and I became overwhelmed. But anyway, I'm going to be wiping down some surfaces now. I'm going to wipe down the coffee table in the entertainment center, and I'm just going to be using some Mrs. Meyer's in the apple cider scent. I'm still using that because it's not gone yet, y'all know. And then I'm also going to be using the Sprayway for my glass cleaner. I like to use 2 microfiber cloths because sometimes it feels like if the 2 chemicals or sprays mix, I have this little streaky look everywhere when it comes to my glass, so I try to keep everything separated.
Cause I don't need a man to make me feel fine. Better sit down, yeah, just shut your mouth. Yeah. You better sit down, yeah, just shut your mouth. Cause I don't need a man to make me feel fine. Better sit down, yeah, just shut your mouth. Yeah. You think you can.
Moving on to my entryway table, I'm just wiping down the surfaces here as well. If you are curious, that mirror is from IKEA and it was on sale for about 50 bucks. I think I got it maybe 4 or 5 months ago. Anyway, I love it. And I'm going to be wiping down the table, but I'm not going to be using everything that you see here. I'm just going to remove everything and start over. I will be decorating this using some floral stems, but you'll see that later. And I'm also going to be decluttering the shoes that's also in the entryway space. I don't actually have a official entryway, like when you open the door you like coming straight into my living room, so it's very I don't want to say annoying, but if my home is in a mess, it just like really irritates me that's the first thing I see when I walk in. So hopefully in my next house that I pray for, we will have an entryway where I can at least catch my breath before I walk into the madness.
Cause baby, I got problems in me. Sometimes it gets hard for me to tell you how I feel. I'm afraid to show you what's underneath. Cause I don't wanna let you down. Got a lot of demons.
And as you can see, Lil Mama is not crying in this scene. I want you guys to see that she can handle loud noises, because the worst thing you can do is protect your baby from every little sound, because then you can't really live life, because they're going to be around people that talk loud and all that other jazz. So just make sure if you have a little tiny baby that you are exposing them gently to loud sounds, just so you don't have a baby that's like scared of every little thing.
Up with you by my side, looking so beautiful.
I'm not really sure if you guys knew this, but I did remove my Christmas pillow covers from the pillow inserts, and I'm just spraying them with some Lysol spray, or it's not really actually Lysol, but it is the equivalent. But anyway, that's my way of sanitizing the pillows, and I'm just putting something neutral on there. They're striped, and I'm gonna let you guys know that I was undecided on whether I wanted the stripes to be vertical or horizontal, but I did ultimately decide to go with the vertical look because I thought that it would add some height to the room. But anyway, you guys let me know in the comments which way you prefer the pillows to be. And this is for you guys wondering what little Logan was doing while I am stuffing these pillow covers. She is living her best life as usual.
Sometimes it gets hard for me to tell you how I feel. I'm afraid to show you.
Alright, so now we're gonna be decorating my little console table, I guess you would call it that. Anyway, this vase is so pretty, and I picked it up from Kirkland's 2 years ago, and I just never used it, y'all. It's been sitting in my garage, and I'm just like, you know what, this is the year we're gonna do new things. So I pulled it out, and I actually forgot what it looked like, but it's so pretty. As you can see, I am measuring my floral stems, and I purchased these floral stems at the same time that I bought the other ones in my kitchen clean and decorate with me. If you guys missed that video, it's okay, because I'll have it linked in my cards for you guys, so you can go back and check that out, because it was a disaster too, and now it's cute. But anyway, if you are like me and you just like making your own little floral arrangements, always check Michael's or maybe Hobby Lobby, because the floral stems are always on sale and you can't beat it.
Feel the same. Or just tell me if you feel the same. You don't need to hesitate. Oh babe, no it's never too late. I think we're soulmates. Let's find a way to start again. Oh yeah, 'cause I wanna work things out. Yeah. I just wanna fall into your
quick tip, if you have a candle and you love the scent but you hate the wrapping, just go ahead and peel it off. It's not a thing. Usually Bath and Body Works candles are wrapped in something that is removable. Now you may have a candle that is stained glass or something. Obviously you can't do anything about that, but I wanted this look to be really neutral for the decor, and I think I achieved it.
Coming our way, yeah, yeah. Everything will be okay, 'cause no one else can make me feel this way, yeah. I'm completely satisfied, right, as long as you're by my side.
New year, new smell. So I am shampooing my whole living room area, but you're only gonna get to see me do this area rug because I didn't want to bore you guys with the whole process of shampooing this carpeting. But this shampoo, or this carpet cleaner if you will, is so good, y'all. I'll have it linked in the description box. It was a Mother's Day gift, so I'm not quite sure of what Sugarfoot paid for it, but like I said, I have it linked for you. And if it's a little bit out of your price range, please save up. I wouldn't lie to you guys, it is well worth the money. And for my coffee table, I just shopped my home. That tray has been there since I don't know how long, but I'm just gonna keep my coasters there, and I'll have a floral arrangement. I did not make this one myself. This one was purchased from HomeGoods a long time ago, and I have a candle from Bath and Body Works and a candle cloche that I ordered from IKEA, and I've had that for a while now. But I love how simple it looks. It's still gorgeous, but it's not overdone because I want the space to look clean and open. And I'm just gonna add my tree back after Christmas. You know that, well, during Christmas I put it in my loft space, but now I'm bringing it back down, and I think that we are about to wrap up this look.
I tell you, Papa, too, I'm gonna let everyone know about my love, so I really hope you love me too. Yeah, I really hope you love me too. I'm gonna tell you that I need you. I need you every day. You'll get weary of my touch, that's how much I'm gonna tell you that I want you. I wanna let you know, oh, you're the only one for me, no one else. I'm gonna shout it out.
The last thing that I wanted to clean in this space is our shoe storage. I'm just decluttering it, and I'm putting some shoes that we no longer wear or Lucas can no longer fit, and I'm just gonna put it in his donation box. I'm gonna also wash and dry the shoe tray that you see there, and I'm gonna give the area a little sweep, and we're gonna be wrapping this thing up, guys. If you are enjoying what you see and it's motivating you, please make sure that you are giving this video a big thumbs up once it's done. If you are new, also subscribe because I'd really appreciate it. And we are almost finished, guys.
I'm gonna show you that I love you 100 times a day. You'll get tired of my lips, and that's how much they wanna kiss you and caress you and love you till my dying day. You're the only one I need, no one else. I tell you friends, I tell you family, I'm gonna let everyone know about my love, so I really
And we are done. It looks so good. I'm so proud of myself. I am tired. I'm still tired, y'all. I don't think you grasped how much was going on in this space. But anyway, it looks so clean and refreshed. It smells good in here. You gotta believe me, I kept it real simple. I just added some greenery to my end table. My pillows look good. My rug looks good. Y'all, I feel great. And if you are living in a space that look like mine, I promise you, if you just get on up, get it done, you're gonna sleep good at night like some freshly washed sheets. It's just that good. But like I said, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Come back for more. Mondays and Wednesdays is my cleaning content, and Friday is my casual Friday. And I'll see you again on Friday. Until next time, bye.